Good evening. Today we're going to be doing a tune in the style of another one. Let's get into it.
Where you going, baby? Can you ease my mind on the phone? I miss you, but I'll be alright. No control, I'm running, I can feel the night. Can you shine your light? Where you going, baby? Can you ease my mind on the phone? I miss you, but I'll be alright. No control, I'm running, I can feel the night. Can you shine your light? Can you ease my mind? 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 Can you shine your light? Can you ease my mind? 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 Baby, can you ease my mind?
And there we have it. So we are in G sharp minor, 132 beats per minute. Quite a few layers of drums going on. I really want to keep it like having a bit more of a live feel because that's what another do very well. So I've got this kick. It's very, very top endy, very clicky. And then we've got a very basic groove. So we've got closed hat. We've got this bongo-y top. Ride. Snare, and then a tambourine and a top loop. And that's pretty much the drum groove all the way through. So for the first part of this tune, I just got a guitar loop from Splice, and it looks like I've cut it up a little bit. I put some chorus on there because another do that a lot. So dry wet's quite high, and then a little bit of saturation on there. And then I just wrote a little bass line around that. So we're just using a Serum stock factory preset, this deep groover. The main notes here are just following the guitar chords, and we've got loads of these flicks throughout the whole of this bass line. So we've got this F sharp down here, and we're doing that same rhythm every bar. We've got a similar thing up here with the G sharp, so we always go into that G sharp, so it almost feels like that's making a little bit of a melody. So all of these lines here are pretty constant, and then we have the main bit of the bass that's kind of dancing in and out of these little flicks here. I've done quite a lot of manual swing as well, so if it wasn't swung it would be there, so I pushed it back a little bit. I pushed this one back, pushed this one back, and then we've also got a notator 16/8 on the swing as well, so that's just helping it groove a little bit more. And then I'm just trying to introduce some more organic sounds. So we've got a string sample here. Let's just hold in two of those notes. And then we've got these little swells as well. And on top of that, I just wrote a very basic melody just for some strings to just sustain and move. So we've got this one that sustains and just plays the same note the whole way through. And then this one, we're just going to change that up just a little bit. So we just have a little bit of a different dynamic from the second time round from the first time round. We just have this little melody on top. It just helps evolve that section so it doesn't sound exactly the same second time round.
Can feel the night. Can you shine your light? Can you ease my mind? Can you ease my mind? Can you ease my mind?
So when we get into this little break section, we switch up the chord progression all together. So we go from the E major to the F major to the G sharp minor to the C. So we're going from the 6 to the 7 to the 1 and then to the 4.
Can you ease my mind?
And when I was writing this, I at first just had these low notes in and then just added these ones on top. So for this first note, we're playing the 7th because this chord is the E, and then we're just adding 2 octaves above and 1 semitone down. So that's the 7th. And I'm just hanging on that note as well. It just sounded a little bit better there. This little B for a little bridge note in there, just tiny little ways for just keeping it interesting. So it's not just a basic triad.
Can you ease my mind? Can you ease my mind? Can you ease my mind?
And that sound is just a factory E piano, INSTA pianette.
Can you ease my mind? 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 Can you ease my mind?
So in this build, we've just got this little loop that is only in the build. So it almost sounds like a break a little bit, but I thought it had a nice little rhythm for the build up. So instead of doing a snare riser there, I thought it was a little bit more natural to just do a little bit of a break.
Ease my mind. Can you ease my mind? Can you ease my mind? Can you shine your light? Can you ease my mind? Can you ease?
So as always, I have a little pause with the drums just before the drop. We've got this tiny little bit of synth just before the drop. So it's the same patch as this Rhodes here. And I've just EQ'd it a little bit differently, give it some OTT, some redux, and it's just doing a slightly different rhythm to the rest of those chords, but it just has a nice little skip to it. So I thought that just helped make our way into the drop a little bit better.
Can you shine your light? Can you ease my mind? 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 Can you ease?
So I don't know if another really used M1s that much, but I just thought it sounded cool in this. So we're pretty much staying on the same chord progression we had in the break, but instead of going down to the C sharp at the end here, we're just hanging on the F sharp. So we're going from the 6 to the 7 to the 1, back to the 7, and then back to the 6 afterwards to this E.
Can you ease my mind? 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 Can you?
So just little bits to help this kick along a little bit. Mainly are these little swung bits that I've done here. So again, if they weren't swung, they would be on the beat there. So I've just pushed them back just a little bit, and I've taken the velocity down as well. So that swing and the velocity just helps it feel a little bit more natural.
Can you ease my mind? 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 Can you?
And then this little flick with the bass, I'm pretty much just following the melody of the vocal. Do, 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 do. The rhythm's ever so slightly different, but I think sometimes we don't really need to overcomplicate stuff too much. If we use the vocal as that's going to be the main thing that people are going to be listening to, you can just reinforce the melody of the vocal sometimes. And I think that makes it super effective because in this section, the bass and the vocal are kind of singing together. So it just feels much more cohesive.
Your life, can you ease my mind? 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 Ease my mind. Can you ease my mind? Can you ease my mind?
So here we've got like a weird second fake build up. So here we're bringing back in those chords that we had in the break. And then I've just cut up this little string lead as well. So I've just done a few little bits, just changing the rhythm a little bit. This last note I felt like was a little bit late, so I just brought that forward so it gives it a bit more skip. And then that comes in at the end of this last drop as well. So as well as those main synths, I've got some little vocal oohs, almost trying to act as a bit of a choir. And then we have this lead on top. So we're just hanging on the D sharp for most of that, and then we've just got these tiny little flicks here and there, just to keep it a little bit more interesting and give a little bit of a melody that sits on top. So all of those synths and strings and stuff together. And then for this last bit of the drop, for some reason it just sounded a little bit messy when we had the M1 set on top of that. So for the last drop, we've just taken it back to our original live bass. Just felt like it helped that section a little bit more, keeping the bass feel a bit more organic, and not having that extra 7 semitone on top also just gives a lot more space for the rest of the synths. And I think it's a nice contrast between that first bit of the drop and then the second. So we have this one that's a little bit more electronic-y sounding, then we have this build up, and then we bring all the organic synths in, so it has a nice contrast.
Can you ease my mind? 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 Ease my mind. Can you ease my mind? 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 Can you ease my mind?
And there we have it. That actually took way longer than I thought it was going to. It's much more difficult making the tunes when you want to make them sound really organic. So getting samples is probably the best way of doing it. Now, I tried to do some organic stuff with these strings here with Xenology. They still never sound quite as good as a real thing. You know, you can still hear that that's not real. So I think doing stuff like this, finding little samples like that and chopping them up is definitely the way to go for this kind of sound, because you'll get them sounding so much more organic if those strings have actually been recorded. So thank you very much for watching. I do hope it's helped, and love to your mother.